Everyone, welcome to a new video. Hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, in this video I will discuss about, based on my journey, based on my experiences, how I manage my study during my articleship. As you know that I have completed 1.5 year articleship, but during my time, you can say that 6 month articleship is you can say that sufficient to give the both group of CMA final. Still I have completed my 1.5 articleship, and out of 1.5 year or 1 year, you can say that as a full-time job. So how I manage my you can say the study, CMA final study, along with articleship or full-time job. So this is beneficial for those who are doing articleship or those who are doing full-time job. So 15 point I have noted down in front of me, as per my experience, as per my journey, how I manage my study along with the full-time training. Okay, so first guys, we need to understand that if we are doing full-time job, first tip is that if we are doing full-time job or articleship, we need to understand that we have a sufficient, you can say that, limited time. So we need to optimum utilization of the available time. Okay, we need to maximum optimum utilization of available morning hour, 2 or 3 hour we need to take every day. Okay, and after coming to the office, we have a pressure of office, and apart from this, from travel time, we are tired due to the traveling time. So after 2 hours in the night or 3 hours in the morning, if we can easily take out 4 or 5 hour on daily basis, so we can easily manage our study along with training or articleship. Second thing is that guys, we need to first analyze if we are giving single group, if we are giving both groups. So we need to analyze how many subjects we can easily manage with self study. Then now the remaining subject, you need to take my suggestion to you, you should go with the online or you can say that pen drive or Google Drive classes. If your house is far away from your coaching classes, so it will save your money, if you save your precious traveling time. So this hope the second point is also understood by you. Okay, the third point is that guys, first of all, we need to optimum utilizations of available holidays. If you are getting Saturday Sunday off, so please spend 10 hour, 12 hour, 14 hour and optimum utilization of Sunday. And apart from these holidays like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, I can accept that you need to celebrate 2 or 3 hour, you need to celebrate, but इन द रिमेनिंग टाइम यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द स्टडी. ओके, हम लोगों ने एक मेम भी देखा हुआ है कि जो CA वो अपना हैप्पी न्यू ईयर कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. रात के 12 बजे वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, 12:05 में अपना पढ़ाई करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. तो काफी सारे हम लोगों ने ऐसे मेम देखे हैं. तो वी नीड टू डू सम सैक्रिफाइस. ओके, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ेगा, तो हम लोगों को काफी चीजें सैक्रिफाइस, वी नीड टू सैक्रिफाइस some at a some point of time. Okay, the fourth point is that whenever the best strategy for every student during articleship, whenever we are doing articleship or job, first priority to complete training as all the classes as soon as possible. Okay, suppose whenever we are completed our training, okay, we have a sufficient time, we just our one work is to focus on a study. So during the articleship, just try to complete your syllabus as soon as possible. If you are doing self study, if you are taking classes, so finish all the classes whenever your training is completed. Then or if you are doing full-time job, or if you are taking 1.5 month leave, so you full devote 1.5 month towards your study only. So hope you understand that. And fourth point is that guys, if you are going to office, optimum utilization of your traveling time. Okay, you can you can read out 4 or 3 pages PDF during your you can traveling time. Okay, you can read out any theoretical subject, you can put your headphone and you can read out any theoretical subject. Okay, you need to optimum utilization of technology. Okay, please understand that you have a good amount of internet connection, you have a good amount of you can see that you have a good phone. So please optimum utilization of these. Now come to the 6th point, be tech friendly. Okay, nowadays due to the technological era, now every organization is going for the technology. Okay, so please be technology friendly. Okay, optimum utilizations of I have already prepared the best Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, the best YouTube channel, from where you will get all kind of update. It will save your time. And lot many marathon videos are available, lot many subject wise videos are available on YouTube. So you need to be tech friendly. Okay, please, it will save your time. You can see your videos if you want to see your lecture. So 2 speed, with the 2 speed, suppose there is a 3 hour lecture, so if you see the lecture with a 2 speed, so it will reduce your time, and 1.5 hour you 1.5 hour you complete your 3 hour lecture. So be a tech friendly. Okay, go with the softwares. I have already prepared the best Telegram channels, best WhatsApp group, where you will get all if you have any question, you can ask in the Telegram channel, your friend will tell. Apart from this, if you need any PDF file, if you need any notes, so in the Telegram channel or WhatsApp group, you can ask, and their friends will, the member of the Telegram channel or WhatsApp group will share with you. Now the second point is that whenever we are doing articleship, so whatever the problem we are facing at right now, we have the same problem are facing by the some of the friends. So we need to discuss our problem, we need to shout out the problem, we need to take suggestion. Okay, lot many people are experienced, so they can give you a suggestion. Okay, but ultimate you have to take that decision. You need to become at present the decision maker, but you can discuss your problem with your colleague who are also facing the same problem. Okay, hopefully they can also give you suggestion. Okay, and the best strategy for every student, okay, for practical paper, I suggest you that please make a fair register in which you contain all the study note wise all formulas, and you will contain all the study note, all the solution of all practical questions. Okay, this will benefit you whenever you are revising. You need not to search where I will find the formula of this question or where I will find the solution of this question. Okay, you need to maintain all the practical question, one fair register in which contain study note wise formulas or study note wise all the solution of practical question. This will helpful whenever you are revising a chapter, whenever you are revising your whole syllabus, or in a 1.5 days before the examination. It will help you. Okay, now the ninth point is that the best important that you need to maintain a good relationship with your boss, with your reporting manager, or with your other colleague. Okay, reason is that suppose for example, suppose you have taken 1.5 month leave, or due to the uncertainty, you can say that uncircumstances, your exams get postponed. Now you need to connect with your boss or reporting manager that you want to rejoin the office, and later you will take the 1.5 month leave. So the boss will not be irritated if you have a good relationship. Okay, apart from this, manage good relationship with the colleague. If you need any holiday, these kind of the good relationship with your colleague will help you. Okay, now come to the next point. Okay, and the main thing is that you out of the available 24 hour, you have to spend 10 minutes at least for meditation, for exercise. You can do anything, whatever you like. Apart from this, in the weekend you can see watch any movies or entertaining things, so that you will get some relaxation. Okay, so but it will not be a habitual. You are watching one web series or one movies in a day. Okay, we have seen that 7 episode in a web series, 9 episode in a series, and it will become a habit to us. So please, you need to stick. Okay, during a week only one movie is allowed to you. You need to be a decision maker on this point also. Okay, okay, the important thing is that you can say that kuch paane ke liye kuch khona padega, so we have to do some sacrifice. Okay, we need to say to our family, if we are going for the family function, we sometime, for at least some time, we need to ignore for going to the family function, unless it is too much important or too much close relationship. Okay, so and if it is possible for you, try to use social media less. Okay, you need to be a choosy one. You need to be a choosy one to choose some of the relevant social media app, but you need to ignore. Okay, nowadays I'm seeing that Facebook is not that much relevant. You can use Telegram or YouTube. These are the best one to get update, to get information, or to get study material related information. Okay, but nowadays we are seeing that Facebook is not that much important. Facebook Messenger. Or you need to maintain a good environment place. Okay, where you can study properly, where you can put all your books. Whenever you are finding or searching any books, you can easily find your book. You need not to spend 1 hour, 2 hour to spend your book. Where is my book? Where is my rough register? Okay, so please maintain your study environment, good study environment, where the restriction of any other people, unless your permission, will come to the your study environment place. Okay, so hope you understand that. Apart from this, whenever we are in the stage of any stage of life, we need to maintain the 4 pillar of any success: consistency, hard work, persistence, or perseverance. Okay, if we are maintaining these kind of 4 pillars, these are the 4 pillar of in the successful of every businessman, every you can say this, every successful man or woman. Okay, so please, I hope that you understand all these 15 points, and this will be helpful to maintain the study along with training or full-time job. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. And these kind of strategy which I have followed during my journey, where I am doing articleship, or you can say full-time job, and how I manage my studies. So still you have any doubt or you have any question, you can ask me. Apart from this, you can also suggest me in which topic I need to make a video. Surely I will make a video. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.